Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the carry resource is installed and active on the server, and make a backup of server. CFG and the carry script file. Next, pick a clear keybind, pick F5 or K, that won't conflict with other scripts. Open the resource's config or client. Lua to find the bind block, because changing code here is how you actually assign a key. Once done, save and prepare to restart the resource for the change to take effect. You now edit the carry script's bind entry. Replace the current key name or code with your chosen key, and explain why different servers expect names versus numeric codes. Make sure to scan other resources for conflicting binds, because overlapping keys cause unpredictable behavior. Save your changes and restart the specific resource with restart resource name in the server console, not the whole server, to preserve sessions. Then join in-game and press the key. Finish by verifying persistence. If the bind works, add the change to your version control or document it for admins. If it doesn't, inspect the client console for error messages and missing exports, because these reveal why the bind fails. Make sure FX manifest, Lua or resource. Lua matches the server version, mismatches often break loading. If direct binds aren't reliable, use register key mapping in the script as an alternative so the user can rebind in-game. Finally, retest after any fix to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.